I'm at the Bear Mountain Bridge in Bear Mountain, New York, in Orange County. And the reason I'm being kind of quiet is because they've got the trails closed off. I'm not on an illegal section, but they don't want people going from the Fort Montgomery Museum to the Bear Mountain Museum. But guess what? I'm doing another survey. I thought it was finished 2 videos ago. I guess I lied. So this is a great view. Look at this bridge. I believe it was completed in 1924. And there is Manitou Marsh right over there. Sorry about the bad videography. I'm trying to get used to that. And I just want to tell everybody how I do these surveys. Now, the Avenza map that I use is on the phone that I'm filming with. So I can't show you how I do that, but I can tell you, and what I can do is make that Avenza map the thumbnail for the video. So I just want to get past this mess right here. Lots of invasives in here. Oops, that's Japanese Angelica. You don't want to touch that. It's full of thorns. That'll hurt you. But I got him written down, so he can't get away. And, okay, just a review. New York, New Jersey Trail Conference maintains, makes the maps, and builds the trails. Lower Hudson Prism. Prism stands for Partnership. Oh, geez, I can't remember. It's another invasive management program. And I'm just going to show you how I do this. So I'm in Bear Mountain, and this trail is called Bear Mountain 17. So I date it, keep a log of the hours, and through the Avenza map, what I do is I have to calibrate it so it knows where I am as I'm following the trail, and then I pace off for me what is 100 feet, which would bring me into the center of 50-foot circles, if that makes any sense. So I start 50 feet into the trail, which is about 32 paces for me, and then I have to I do a pin on the Avenza, place mark it, write it down. That starts my survey, and then I have to walk 100 feet to the middle of the next circle. So that way I'm covering both the end of one circle and the beginning of the other. I hope that makes some sense to you. So anyhow, it looks great on the map with all the pinpoints. But and then what I do is I look around, and you know, I've reviewed all this and studied this, and this is my code for all the plants that I'm looking for. And there's some that aren't on here, like the black swallowwort. So I just put that in on my own. And I found some yellow flag today, which is also an invasive species. So I put that on too. So that's how this works. And I'll put some links down below for Lower Hudson Prism and New York, New Jersey Trail Conference. And here it is. It's Partnership for Regional Invasive Species Management, and they started around 2012. And it's a great addition to this project because it's big. It's really, really big. So I have another survey to do today. I don't know if I feel like doing it. It's much longer than this one. Like I had said in a couple videos ago, I'm back to work now. I mean, I was working 2.5 days, so I had plenty of time. Now I'm working 5 days, and I'm going back to school nights, so it's becoming kind of a problem. Isn't that a beautiful bridge? My favorite one on the Hudson is the Mid-Hudson Bridge. If you're not familiar, just Google it. It'll come up. Mid-Hudson Bridge, Hudson Valley, Poughkeepsie. That should come up. So that's how you do an invasive plant survey. Hope you enjoyed yourselves, because I'm not anymore. It's just hard to fit it into the schedule. Alright, I'm going to head back to the museum, use the ladies' room, say hello, maybe buy a couple more tin soldiers. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.